Yo, what's good? Okay, this is Okay Wasabi from Fosoda Sporting 75. The Hood Skinny Brothers died to the multiply with the clouds are too close to the ground to all to the sky. Not alone, I'm much here with
Simon Banza, aka Mr. Fresh Fade No Bacha. Listen, it's not fresh right now, but we've got fresher things here.
Exactly. Today is a special day, guys.
Yep.
It's the 27th September 2019. And for all you tech savvy people, you know what that day is.
Yep.
And if you're watching this channel, we hope
you do.
You do.
Otherwise,
it's a special launch day.
it's a special launch day. It's the launch of the iPhone 11 and all its brothers and sisters, the 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max.
Yes.
And we're here to give you guys an unboxing. We're going to show you guys when you get the phone, what it's going to look like, what's inside. So yeah, you can see it from us first before you go to the iStore to buy one. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, okay. So we've got three models.
Sure.
We have the 11. Wait.
Here's the
Here,
11.
yeah. We have the 11 here.
Yeah.
Then we have, because this one's smaller, this is the 11 Pro.
Yes.
And then this is the 11 Pro Max, sure. The biggest one. We're going to open all three. They're pretty much going to have the same things, but just because we can, we're going to open all three. Okay.
So, guys, I don't know if you can see, but there's some new colors that they introduced this year. This is a purple lavender type of color. I know Apple has its very specific own type of color naming schemes.
Yeah,
it's not just purple. It's
they
not
don't
just,
care about
yeah,
it.
it's not just purple. It's not just green.
Exactly.
But this is nice. It's like a bit of camo nyana. You know, you can put it in my pocket with it. Go
And
home.
it will disappear.
Yeah, because I'm wearing camo pants. Yeah, guys. So yeah, and then this is almost their rose gold. This was, I remember iPhone 8 and 7 did have a rose gold.
They had a rose
So
gold,
this is type of like a rose gold too. But yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Definitely, I'm in love with the 11.
This
obviously.
is me.
I'm in love with the 11, the purple one. I think it's pretty dope. And by the way, these are all base models, 64 gig each, right?
Yeah.
So we have here 14,999, 14,000, 15K. Here we have 21,999, 22, and then here we have 20. I did an update about this last week.
You did.
Yeah, so I should know these prices.
Yeah.
I should know. So this
But
is
we'll also
23,
put them on the put them on the screen.
Let's start with the 11. Let's move these out.
Let's start there.
11.
Woo! Oh, that looks. Oh man, I need to snap this. I need to snap this.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
Okay.
Look at that.
So the iPhone 11. Ooh.
Oh my god. It looks better than I thought it would look.
Yo.
Look at that back, dude. John on.
Yes.
I'm shook.
Guys, the feel of this thing is amazing, guys. Yes. We're gonna talk about everything else later. We just
want to unbox.
This is just
we want to
unbox.
show you
the papers, you know, the stickers that you stick at the back of your car, you know, it forces to edit.
Please don't.
And then the basic brick charger.
Yeah.
The headphones.
With cables.
Yeah.
With cables.
And
USB.
Lightning cable.
Lightning cable.
Lightning cable.
Yeah. That's it. That's everything that's in the box.
Next.
Look at that.
Next.
Look at that. Oh, next. Yeah.
We're keeping it moving.
John wants to open all of them.
Keeping it moving.
All of them. Okay, now we're going to the Pro.
Yeah.
Oh, the way it even, man. Oh, this is if my job could just be like opening phones.
We should also inquire about standing at the door and asking people if someone
Yes, we must. So we'll go to the iStore, we'll stand at the door and ask people if we can take the pen.
I don't mind, yes. Oh, that's protruding, you know.
Protruding.
The lenses are protruding.
They really are. Remember I said when we first heard about this, I was like, I'm not too sure. But it looks good. It looks good, guys. And this back is more of like a matte. Yes. Compared to the glossy back. Oh my goodness.
Designed by Apple California.
Yes. Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay. There's something different here.
I think it's just the. Oh no, it is.
The power brick.
The power brick
is. Let me tell you, see.
Okay, tell me.
This is a USB-C power brick.
Yes.
Yeah? This is a USB power brick, né? USB Type-C power brick. Né? I don't know why Apple doesn't want to make USB Type-C to
into
Type-C.
The phone.
Into the Type-C.
Yes.
We still have Lightning, but you know, we'll get there. Hopefully with the 12, but for now, we're just happy that this is like it is fast charging.
Probably definitely faster.
Fast charging.
Faster.
Oh snap! Did they give you two cables? Oh no.
No, I think that's the cable for the other one. And then we have the usual cable, but like
It's
you
USB
said
Type-C.
before, here it's USB
Let's
Type
just show you the difference, guys.
Exactly. So we have our usual USB since the 2000s.
Yeah.
But now we have the new and
Type-C.
improved Type-C. But if we could only get this on this end too.
Perfect.
We're talking to you, Apple.
We know you're watching this.
Exactly.
Please.
We know you there.
Yeah.
Who's the head now?
Tim Cook.
Tim Cook. Tim, please boot.
Please.
Save us.
iPhone 12. Let's put
Okay,
this away.
that's for there.
Open the...
Okay, now we get to the big guy. The big daddy. Okay, where's the... Do you want to do this one together?
Okay,
Let's do this one together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. I'm so stressed.
I want this job, guys.
We could do this all day.
To open peel on my iPhone. Please,
Oh,
man,
my
guys.
Okay, moment of truth. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Woo! Every time I think it can't get better, it gets better. Look at this.
I feel like this video is going to actually go to be a fanboy.
We
And
are.
I am.
We won't even lie,
I'm
guys.
lying.
We won't even...
Yes. Look at the color.
No, this is the one. I know I said I can just do with the iPhone 11, but I want this one. I won't even lie to you. Look at that. Look at that. That matte.
You can see Guti someone's using a new phone.
Exactly.
With this, because you know the dual cameras from the 10,
Yeah.
10s, but now you have
It's the back.
Triple.
You know how you always know somebody's phone by the back of the phone.
because even if you can put a cover on this, a protective cover, you can still see the tri cameras. You know.
Oof.
Yes.
So like the last one, we have exactly the same things. We
Yeah.
have the USB-C into lightning cable, USB-C fast charging. I'm excited to see how much faster this is than the usual one. And then here we have the headphones with the cable.
Yeah.
But if you are using this phone with these cables,
If you have a iPhone
if you have a
Pro Max,
you
definitely have
You
Beats
can't
by
have
Dre,
all of
Power
them.
Max.
Power Max Beats by Dre.
Beats by Dre. You have to get.
Earphones.
If you get the Pro Max, please get Beats by Dre also. Just stand. If you wanna stand, don't stand half.
You can't, don't have to it. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the 3 phones. I am shook. I've seen photos, but seeing it like right here in my hand is a very different thing. So if anything, you're also paying to just have it in your hand and see it. George is already gone. Man, thank you so much for watching this video. The more in-depth video is coming very, very soon, but we just wanted to show you guys when you open up the packaging, what you get, what you see. From myself, Sibu Mbanza, aka Mr. Fresh Fade, no Mbanza, and...
Okay, what's up? From Fosalas 165, the whole is getting that with the cloud. The cloud is so close to the ground, so all this guy.
Till again.
Till again, next time.
Next time, give me one.
Till again,
Till next time, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah.
But definitely we'll be back. Don't worry, we'll be back soon.
Yeah. Click that subscribe button.
It's down
Yeah,
there.
down there.
It's down
Just
there.
click the subscribe button.
Click it and like this video. If you're happy for us to do this, we'll do the
more
12
videos
next
coming soon.
Soon.
More videos coming to you.
But we'll see you next week. Next week. All right. Cheers, guys.